Welcome to AI Lessons in Under 5 Minutes. Today, we're diving into advanced budget management using AI. I'll show you how to create flexible budgets that adapt to your business needs. Let's start with creating dynamic budgets. So here we'll start with the prompt, create a flexible budget framework using base revenue, fixed costs, variable expenses, growth targets, and include scaling factors for different revenue levels. Let's look at this with some sample data. So we have our base revenue, we have all of our fixed costs, we lay out our variable expenses, we have growth targets, and we have 2 scaling factors. Let's move to ChatGPT. We'll go ahead and add our prompt, hit return, and watch as ChatGPT does the hard work and builds that dynamic budget framework for us. Okay, now let's analyze budget variations. So here we'll put in the prompt, compare actual versus budgeted numbers, insert your monthly data, identify major variances, root causes, correction strategies, and future prevention. Let's go back to ChatGPT with our variance analysis prompt and our data. So we'll go ahead and hit return. And here we go. ChatGPT is giving us a table with our variance analysis. And in addition to our table, we'll be provided with some key findings, which will include some of the major variances identified and their root causes. We'll be provided correction strategies. We'll have future prevention measures presented to us as well. And you'll notice at the very end of the response from ChatGPT, it will ask us if we would like more detail on the ROI analysis for any of the specific variances. And now we can optimize your budget. So we'll use the prompt, analyze spending patterns and suggest cost reduction opportunities, resource reallocation, efficiency improvements, and ROI optimization. Finally, let's make your budget responsive. So the prompt here is create triggers for budget adjustments based on revenue changes, market conditions, performance metrics, and emergency scenarios. And there you have it, advanced budget management with AI. Like and follow for more business insights.